Welcome back, my people. You already know I'm super high. Let me get my shit together. I should have got my shit together. I keep saying it, man. Get your shit together before you start recording, hey. Downloaded, I believe, on Tuesday. But, you know, weekend is for my son, so Sunday.
Elixir.
Now we on, so let's get it.
The eternal path, a prize sought by the sovereigns of old. Among them was the first emperor of the Jinn, who lusted for immortality. The result of his quest to obtain the forbidden medicine was a catastrophe. The elixir's power proved overwhelming. And in the years following the Dynasty's demise, it continued to exert a shadowy influence on conflict and political machinations. Many moons pass, and the Han Empire faces its final days. In these dark times, Elixir once again threatens to become the catalyst that awakens the dragons lying dormant across our land.
Shock at this motherfucker straight babbler. Y'all seen like all of this right here. I even did my dude and everything. But, you know, for YouTube purposes, I restarted the whole game.
Bear witness to the power of your younger brother.
Yeah. What the hell is wrong with this dude's face, bro? This dude got a whole mask on, though.
Bring prosperity.
Got a handkerchief. Alright, all these people get slaughtered. That's wildin', bro. That's wildin', bro. This dude was crazy.
Militia soldiers.
That's wild, bro. That's wild, bro. This shit remind me of Ghost of Tsushima. Never played it. Don't have it. I mean, I don't have a PlayStation. Jesus Christ, dog. That is too. See, you got caught slipping, player. You ain't see shit, bro. You blindfolded, homie. Stop playing. You blindfolded. I ain't gonna lie, the graphics look good though. I mean, Series X. And then from here, I think I gotta create my dude.
Thank you.
You know what I'm saying?
For saving me.
Bro, I ain't do shit, homie.
I'm glad you've recovered from your injuries.
How you know though? You got that Stevie Wonder.
I found you.
Nah, you don't know me, cuz.
Of the eternal elixir field.
Bro, I'm from Hartford, bro. You don't know what you're talking about. Elixir field. What? No, I gotta get the facial hair going. I had this shit right here, cuz. That's what I had. Then I had put it like some around here type shit. Nah, man, what you talking about? And I think I put, was it this one? Yeah, it was that one. That's a piece of string.
Finally.
There we go. Finally get back to where I was at.
After all this time,
Bro, you don't know me, cuz.
my wish has been fulfilled.
What?
As long as we have you, victory is still possible.
Nah, what you talking about?
A talisman of protection. It may just save your life one day.
I think it just did because I was supposed to die, sir.
I cannot allow this travesty to continue.
But you're blindfolded. That dude look all plain, like I don't care. Trying to get through this game. I'm super high right now. Alright, what the hell am I supposed to do here, dawg?
Take this. sure it
Take
will
what?
prove useful.
What do you want to take, sir?
Medicine created from refined chi. With it, you can heal most wounds.
Okay. And I went here. Hold on. Because I went here right now. That's what I got. Look, I got the Dragon's Cure pot. Yeah, roll that, guy. Stop playing. I ain't usable items. How do you use it? I'm gonna tell you right now, man. I am not gonna be able to get into this game because I have no idea what the fuck is going on in most of the games. So, I was supposed
on the precipice of drastic change.
Where you want me to go, bro? I am not going through there. That's what the hell. I don't know what you're talking about. Not going through there, sir. So we'll party ways. Cuz why you following me around? I'm leaving, sir. Sir, stop following me around, dude. Don't give me a map or where to go. Nothing. Luke.
I don't think we will be able to pass through this way.
Don't tell me where to go then, cuz. Because if you know so much, even with the blindfold on, dog. So you're gonna sit there and try to make fun of me, huh? Okay, I hear that. Ooh, I like that.
We can climb past that watchtower.
What watchtower, dog? Why don't you lead the way, Playboy? Instead of telling me, because I don't see no watchtower, sir. Ooh, run faster. Right here? Is the watchtower you speak of, sir? Because I can't even get in here. I gotta get up. No. Game, tell me something. Because I have no clue. What? Sir. Oh my goodness. Ooh, okay. There's no way I could get through here. Bro, this is like the beginning of the game and I'm already lost, dog. Yo, where the fuck, yo? Alright, got it. So no more attack.
Impressive.
We don't want this type of problem.
Right in trusting you.
Give me the loot. Give me the loot. Okay, so how do you block? Okay, I got you. You could have told me that. Damn, bro. Sir. Sir. All right. We getting somewhere. No thanks to you, though, sir. I don't want to fight no more, though. Where they at? Oh. Damn, sir. So I'm got like a hoodie or something, so I'm out here all exposed. All raw, butt-eyed naked. Wait a minute, this is where I came from, bro. I don't know why you follow me around, my guy. I'm lost. Hey, oh, right here. I think it's right here. Alright, come on. My fault, man. My fault. Hello? Hello? What now? Dog, if you're not gonna help me, why are you even around? Can't jump over there. Okay. What? Play the video, dog, because I'm lost. Shot. I don't know what he's talking about right now, okay? Oh my god, he flat B, okay. Wow. You kidding me, sir? That's not.
Tend to your wounds while you can.
Okay, that's not working for me, sir. What? I'm pressing the B button, dog. bro. I just died.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Oh, lordy. Proceed, cuz. We gotta do this all over, dawg. Slow down, my guy. Hold on, dog. Hold on, dog. Yo, how do I heal myself? I thought I had like the pop, but I had to weave. Ugh. Yo, I am hitting the wrong button to do everything, my guy. Not even gonna lie to you. Man. Wait, sir. Okay, I'll stay behind you. Go. How do I use? Right there. All right, we got it. Oh, I got my revenge on that. That was dope, yo. What the fuck? I ain't want no revenge. I didn't know he was the one that got me. Okay, what? Ah, bro. I'm not gonna be able to play this game, cuz. Okay, that way. Bro.
Underestimating an enemy with high morale is certain to end badly for you.
So where is he? Okay, I don't know. What do you want me to do? I'm coming in here. We fighting? Oh shit! Oh no! Hold on, sir. Hold on, sir. I don't even know how to. He should be dying. Did he just healed me? Did the guy just healed me? He should be dying. I burned him. He should be dying. I don't have no. Oh, yes, I do. I think I got one more. All right. I don't know where the hell. Why did I come in here? There's no map.
The village elder's residence. This is barbaric. So the yellow turbans won't even stay their swords for the elderly.
I got you. Listen, I'm gonna tell you the truth. It's not my type of game. I don't have no clue what I'm doing. The dodge joint. None, I don't know. I don't know. Like it says red right there, but look, this is where I'm going, and ain't nothing happening. You dig? So I don't know. I don't want to do none of that shit. If you know what I mean. If I don't have to. Look, I don't want to fight no more, dude. He killed me. I'm dead, sir. Can you help, sir?
The young turbans were mostly peasants who suffered from political corruption.
Wait, I went from 2 to 1.
Yet, they have deteriorated into mere bandits.
I have no more.
Others who are also weak.
Oh, yeah. What is this dude chatting about?
To this extent, I wonder.
Oh, was that number 2 though? Alright, I'm out of rest. Give this game a rest. I hit that like button. I don't know if I ever play this game again. Boom, bars, alright? We out, man. Yeah. Level up. What is this? How do I level up in this motherfucker, car? I don't have nothing to level up with, right? Level 1. Wait, what? I don't. I have. Okay. But don't I have it? Okay. Okay.
Until next time, stay tuned and carry on, everybody.